This machine is intended for the vacuuming of dry dust and small debris from dry carpeted or hard floor surfaces in indoor areas only, and should always be used with a reusable dust bag and filters in place. To ensure your safety and optimize the output of your machine, we recommend the following safety and maintenance tasks before every use. If you are using the disposable dust bag, remove and replace as required. Remove, empty and clean the reusable dust bag. Clean the filter by turning it anti-clockwise to unlock and remove, then tap gently to release fine dust. Inspect the battery case for obvious signs of physical damage or warpage to ensure it is safe for use. Check the charger for any sign of damage to the power cable. If any damage is found to either item, do not use and liaise with your service and warranty agent. Check the floor tool, wand, handpiece and hose for any obstructions. The best way to check the hose is to drop a coin through one end. If it doesn't fall through, it's likely that you have an obstruction. We recommend the following regular safety and maintenance tasks. For battery packs used semi-regularly or stored long-term, fully charge the batteries prior to storing, check the state of the charge regularly, and recharge as necessary. For any repair or servicing requirements, visit our website to locate your nearest authorized service and warranty agent.